Good morning, student. Welcome to the class of mathematics. Today we will discuss about the exponent and the powers. How to calculate exponent? Before this, we know about the what is base and exponent. 2 raised to the power 4, that means 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent or index. 2 raised to the power 4 is also called the exponential form. That means 2 multiply 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16. Law of exponent. In case of product, when base are same, then power will be added. So, a raised to the power x multiply a raised to the power y equal to a raised to the power x plus y. But in case of division, a raised to the power x divided by a raised to the power y equal to a raised to the power x minus y, because when base are same, then power will be subtracted in case of division. Next, power to the power. A raised to the power x to the power y, we multiply the power, that means equal to a raised to the power x multiply y. If 0 exponent, a raised to the power 0 equal to 1. That means किसी भी digit की power 0 हो, answer is 1. If negative exponent, a raised to the power minus x, then we reciprocal the base. That means 1 by a raised to the power. Now we start the some examples of exponent power. Write in exponential form 343. That means we start by the prime factor. First last digit 3 है, so it is not divisible by the 2. Next prime number is 3. 3 plus 4 plus 3, 10. Sum of digit is 10. 10 is not divided by 3, so it is not divisible by the 3. Last digit 3 है, so it is also not divisible by the 5. Now let me try by the 7. 7 for the 28, 7 9 the 63. Next 7 7 the 49, 7 1 the 7. That means 343 के प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होंगे? 7 into 7 into 7. This is the expanded form, and the 7 raised to the power 3 is called the exponential form. Next, find the value of x is 7 raised to the power x equal to 343. We already know the exponential form of 343 is the 7 raised to the power 3. That means 7 raised to the power x, 7 raised to the power 3. We already solved this. So base are same, then power will be equal. क्यों? दोनों equal है, that means power को हम equate कर देंगे. X equal to 3. So value of x equal to 3. Next sum is comparison. Compare 4 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4. Which is greater, which is smaller? We have two methods. First, we directly solve which power is greater, that means that which power is greater, that means 3 raised to the power 4, power 4 is greater, so 3 raised to the power 4 is the greater, because their difference of significance is very least. So we can write that directly, but if we have the less value, then we can solve the expanded form of 4 raised to the power 3, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That means we multiply the 4 3 times. And right hand side, we multiply the 3 4 times. 1, 3 multiply 2, 3, 4 times. We write the 3 4 times. We write the 4 3 times. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27, 3 the 81. That means 81 is greater. So 3 raised to the power 4 is the greater. Clear? Next example, we can also solve the next example. If we have 1.29 multiplied 10 to the power 14, 1.3 multiply 10 to the power 18. 10 to the power 18, power is greater, so this digit is greater. If we have the same power, next example, 1.29 multiplied 10 to the power 14, 1.2 multiplied 10 to the power 14. In this case, both powers same. So we compare the significance. 1.29 and 1.2. 1.29 is greater. So this digit is greater. Clear? Next है 0 exponent. 2 raised to the power 0. We write 1. We know that. 3 raised to the power 0. We write 1. 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1. Multiply by 1. Answer is 1. Next example of power to the power. If we have power to the power, we multiply the power, that means minus 7 to the power 6 into 5, 30. Next example of negative exponent. If we have the negative exponent, we reciprocal the base. Reciprocal base is 1 by 3. So if we reciprocal the base, then we write 3 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 2 plus 5 raised to the power 2 and 6 raised to the power 2. Then we solve. 3 raised to the power 2 means we multiply 3 into 3 2 times. Answer is 9. 4 raised to the power 2. 4 multiplies 4 for the 16. 5 raised to the power 2. 25. 6 raised to the power 36. Then we add and we get the answer is 86. Okay. Next question is simplify. We see that 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, but 21 is not a prime number. So first we convert the 21 into a prime number. We write 3 multiply 7 raised to the power multiply 11 to the power 8 minus 3, because base are same, then power will be subtracted in division case. क्योंकि हमारे पास दोनों के base same है और ये divide हो रहे हैं, then power will be subtracted. And 21 we write the 3 into 7 prime factor of 21, 3 into 7. Then base are same, then power will be subtracted because in division case. So we write 3 raised to the power 1 minus 1 multiply 7 raised to the power 2 minus 1, because power are subtracted in division case. Same as 11 raised to the power 8 minus 3, 5. We get the answer 3 raised to the power 0, 7 raised to the power 1, 11 raised to the power 5. That means answer is 1 into 7 into 11 to the power 5. That means answer is 7 multiply 11 to the power 5 is the answer. Next example of simplify. 3 is a prime number, but 10, 25 and 6 is not a prime number. So we convert the prime factor first of all. We write 3 raised to the power 5 multiply 10 is not a prime factor, so we write the bracket power 5. 25 is not a prime number, so we write the bracket 5 raised to the power 7. 6 is not a prime factor, we write the bracket. That means हमें इस पे prime factors करने हैं. The prime factor of 10 is 5 into 2. Prime factor of 25, 5 raised to the power 2. Prime factor of 6, 2 into 3. Now we open the bracket. 3 raised to the power 5. 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied 2 raised to the power 5, because bracket open करेंगे तो पावर दोनों के ऊपर आएगी. Next 5 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 7, 2 raised to the power 5 3 raised to the power 5. Now we check which value have the same base. देखिए 3 raised to the power 5, 3 दोनों के बेस सेम है. Then power will be subtracted in division case. 3 raised to the power 5 minus 5. इन दोनों डिजिट के बेस सेम है बट मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. देन वी ऐड द पावर, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि मल्टीप्लाई में पावर ऐड होती है. नेक्स्ट बेस इज 2. दिस इज ऑल्सो 2. सेम बेस है. डिवीजन केस वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द पावर. इन डिनोमिनेटर वी हैव ओनली 5 raised to the power 7, क्योंकि both are subtracted and these also subtracted in division case. base same है. Next 3 raised to the power 5 minus 5, 3 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 7, 2 raised to the power 0, and denominator we have 5 raised to the power 7. Now 3 raised to the power 0 1, 5 raised to the power 7 minus 7, क्योंकि डिवाइड हो रहे हैं और बेस सेम है, वी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. and 2 raised to the power is 0, 1. Answer is 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 0 multiplied 1, that means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, answer is 1. Writing scientific notation or standard form, both are same. We can also call scientific notation or standard form. अगर हमें scientific notation में convert करना, that means we write the decimal after the one digit, that means 3.90878, that means multiply 10 to the power, that means हमने कितने डेसिमल शिफ्ट किए उतने होते हैं. that means हमने अगर डेसिमल 3 के बाद लगाई है और आपका पहले वाला डेसिमल 8 के बाद है, in between we have the 3 digits, so we write the 10 to the power 3. Clear? In next example, we write the decimal after the one digit, that means 7 point. Yeah, we write also 7 raised to into 10 to the power. देखिए इसमें डेसिमल हमने 7 के बाद लगाया है और लास्ट में डेसिमल है, तो we have the 6 digit, so we write the 10 to the power 6. Clear? If we convert in write in usual form, then we remove the decimal, that means हमें इसका decimal remove करना है. 1205, we write 10 raised to the power 3 because decimal के बाद 3 digit है. We write 10 to the power 3 multiplied 10 to the power 5. The base are same and power will be subtracted in division case, so we write 1205 10 to the power 5 minus 3, that means 1205 multiplied 10 raised to the power 2, so we multiply 1205 multiplied by 2 zeros, we get the answer. This is the usual form, that means usual form में हमें decimal remove करने होते हैं और standard form में या scientific notation में हमें first digit के बाद decimal लगाना होता है और then we multiply 10 raised to the power according to question.